if you want to mirror the screen of your Motorola Moto G56 to other device, then first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here, we're gonna choose connected devices, then go to connection preferences, and you should be able to find cast option. Over here, you might be able to find TVs that are nearby, and you should be able to select them over here in order to connect with them. However, if no TV is or no other device is actually found over here, you can simply press Smart Connect and you can use Smart Connect instead. And over here we can go to add a device, and you should be able to choose display. If you are asked to sign into the Lenovo ID account or Motorola account, then you can choose pair manually at the bottom. Over here, go to display, and if your TV or other device actually supports Miracast, Chromecast, or supports smartphones in general, Android smartphones, you should be able to find it over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.